Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Masbar Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to make a GIF from any video. In this video tutorial, I'll try to explain it very simple and easy steps you can follow, and you can create awesome GIF from any video. In order to do that, you need an app named GIF Maker Editor, which you can download from Google Play Store. And I'll also put that link in the description box. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing, I'm going to open up my app. And here, like so many options, I'm not going to go into in details. You can edit your GIF, then you can quickly edit your GIF. You can create GIF from the images, from video, from a camera, as well as screen recorder. So there's like so many options. I'm not gonna go into in detail. So in this video tutorial, I'm just gonna go with the video to GIF, and you can choose like any video you want for this video tutorial purpose. I'm going to use this video right here, and let me just play it. Let's see how it does look like. Looks pretty good to me and pretty impressive. So I'm just gonna click on that check mark over here. It's processing now. I think it's all done, and over here you can play around with the settings over here, which is like manage speed, decoration, color, effect, direction, adjustment, and I'm just gonna go with the speed. Let's play it. Let's see how it does look like. So if you slide to the left, it's going to increase the speed. See, it looks much better now. Once I'm happy with that, I'm just gonna tap on the check. Then over here, there's some option. You can save it as a GIF, you can save it as a video, and also the quality is low, medium, high, and very high. And I'm just gonna go with the default one, which is a medium. Hit OK. Okay, sorry about that. And I believe everything is done. Once it's done, there are like a couple more options over here, which is you can share it to your social media such as Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, whatever. And also you can set as you can see, like wallpaper, then lock screen, lock and home screen. You can just, there are like several options available over here. So I'm just gonna use it as a lock screen. It's processing right now. It might take a while. It's all done, and as you can see, this is my lock screen. And I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you like this video, please consider subscribe my channel, like and comment, and let me know your experience, how you did it with how you make a GIF for the first time if you haven't done it. Thanks for watching.